in the kitchen cooking, and we're going to cook some chicken wings. Baked, to be exact. Going to cut up these wings, take the tips off, leave us with the flat and the drum. Yep. You either can use some shears like what I'm using, or you can use a knife. I prefer the shears. To wash or not to wash your chicken. You do what you gonna do, and I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna clean my chicken. I'm gonna use some vinegar and some water. Wish it around, swish, swish, swish. Drain all that off. Look at all that stuff coming out of there. Gonna do another rinse. Get that nice and clean. Rinse that off. Get some paper towels. Now you want to dry it. In order to get them crispy, they need to be dry. Gonna add some olive oil, some of this citrusy garlic that I got from Trader Joe's, some onion powder, a little sea salt, black pepper, some paprika, smoked to be exact. Go ahead and put all that in. Oven is preheating at 400 degrees. I got a baking pan with some aluminum at the bottom and some parchment paper at the top. That's to keep it from not sticking. Don't want them chicken wings to stick. Get that all nice and coated. Mix that all in. Mix, mix, mix. Now, I like to let mine marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour, or sometimes overnight. Get that all in a bag. Look at that. Like I said, on that parchment paper, you need that parchment paper. Get that in the oven. Now, we're going to do about 30 minutes the first time. Now, look at that. We flipping it over. Ooh-wee. 30 minutes. Going to do another 25 more minutes. Flip that all over. Get it back in. 30 minutes. Look at that. Not sticking at all. Look at that. Yes. Baked chicken wings. Subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.